All right, you're welcome to this class. My name is Damola. This is going to be an overview, an introduction of what we are going to be doing in the web design course. As you can see right here, this is the websites we're going to be creating in this course. So we're going to be creating this particular website in this course. So yeah, we're going to by the end of this course you'll be able to create a website as beautiful as this, even more beautiful. Yeah, so I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to create something as good as this one. If you have a business, or if you sell products online, or you offer services to people online, yeah, this course is for you. You know, yeah, it's going to be so beneficial for you to make the most of your marketing efforts. So you really need this course, and if you really don't want to waste your time or gamble, into marketing, yeah, this is what you should go for. And it has been a secret to my business as well, so I'm just giving it this out for almost free. So you need to you know this course is for you. So yeah, like I said earlier, this is going to be an overview, so I'm going to take us through what we're going to be doing in this course. So yeah, part of the things we're going to be talking about is the themes and colors, fonts and buttons on the websites, hero section and navigation bar, email marketing, blog post and social links, website messaging, and general settings. Also, we're going to be talking about website content, and also we're going to be talking about payment gateway, that is how to integrate payments into our website. So this would really help us to do away with um, customers getting in touch to us to request for our account details. So you don't really need to have any contact with your customer before they buy your product. So I think it's a very good thing to do. So you're going to be integrating. We're going to be taught how to integrate payments into our website, so that people pay us from all over the world. People we don't even know. They buy for our digital products or even pay for our services. So yeah, this cost is going to be packed. Yeah, like I'm going to show you my payment dashboards, for example. Yeah, this is I'm going to show you how to set up your payments dashboard gateway in this course. This is my um, payments dashboard. Yeah, this is in the last 30 days. This is what I've been able to make, like 287 1,851 naira. So yeah, of this same secret, of this same concept that I'm going to be taking you through in this course. This is what I've been using for over a long time, and it has been, beneficial to my business. So, it's just gone are those days where I need to gamble with marketing, and yeah, this is just some revenue I've made over some days, like 2 3 days. This is 45,000. So I'll be taking us through a lot of things on this course. This course is packed. You're going to be learning everything you need to know about web design, about creating it. And like I said earlier, this course is going to be a no code experience. And what do I mean by that? Even if you don't have a hands-on experience on web design or coding, you don't need coding to create this website. Yeah, we're not going to be needing any coding. This is a classic site, and we're going to be creating it, you know by ourselves without coding. So you don't have to worry yourself if you don't like coding, or you don't have any knowledge of coding. Yeah, you're still going to be able to create this. In fact, this class is for you. So you're going to be creating this in minutes. So yeah, if you want, yeah, that's just it. And if you want to join us, you can also connect with us on Instagram, Chocolate Box NG, and also on Facebook, Chocolate Box NG. So I really want to see you in this class. So thank you for joining me. My name is Damola. See you in the class.